Hi UKG, welcome back to your GK class. Today, let's go to garden. You must be surprised, no? Yeah, today I'm going to teach you about birds. Do you know birds can fly? They have beak, tail, feather. Now see this picture. It's a picture of crow, right? Color black. What's the spelling? Crow. It is a bird. Next one. This is also a bird called cock. Cock. Now here the picture says it's white in color. And it looks beautiful. Another picture, it's peacock. Peacock. Do you know one thing? It's the national bird of India. It looks so beautiful, right? With its feather, it is actually very beautiful, and it has got different colors, right? So this is also a bird. Next one, pigeon. Pigeon. Now this pigeon you will get in different colors, like you will get white, you will get sometimes grey, sometimes mixture of white and black. And pigeon you will see maybe on the terrace, right? They come to the terrace and you feed them. Okay, now another picture. What's this? O as in owl. OWL. Right? Now see their eyes. They have got big eyes, no? And you will see them mostly at night. Right, UKG? So O as in owl, which is a bird. Clear? Let's see what's there in the next picture. And I hope you all are enjoying this garden. Now this is parrot, and parrot is sometimes like you get it in your friend's house, and it's of green color. Parrots love to eat chilies, and they have got red color beak, which is a strong beak. Okay, so don't fight with them. Parrot, parrot. Now the next picture, eagle. 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 Eagle, they are actually very strong bird, and they fly high. They set their goal and they fly high. Eagle, it is also a bird, and it's a huge one. Next picture is MYNAH, manna. Next picture is of manna. MYNAH. Okay, small bird, cute one, different colors you will see, and you will find this bird on the trees, branches. This is sparrow, another cute and small bird. SPARROW, sparrow. Okay, so sparrows are also there, but nowadays we don't see sparrow much, but they are also there, roaming here and there. You will find them on the trees, branches. Okay, now you have seen cock. Now this is the female one. Okay, hen. HEN, hen. Clear? Previously you have seen cock, and this is hen. HEN, hen. Okay, next let's see what's there waiting for us. Okay, now you have gone through the pictures of those birds which live on land. Okay, so you will find these birds on land, on trees. They move here and there, but generally on land. let's know about birds living in water. So there are birds living in water. First picture, you must be knowing this. D-U-C-K, duck, right? Here we can see which color? Yellow color. And they live where? In water. They love to live there, okay? Let's see the next one. What is waiting for us? Another bird. Oh, pelican. Pelican is the next bird or the picture I'm having. Now this bird also lives in water, white in color, okay, and their feet actually helps them to swim in water. They can paddle in water. Next, stork. S-T-O-R-K. See, it has got a sharp beak, right? It helps to feed, okay, in water. So they stay in water mostly, okay. Now what's the next picture waiting for us? Swan, white in color. They have also got strong beak, okay, they have also got strong beak. So these four names which we have seen, they all live in water, and the previous names which we have seen, they live on land. We have learnt about birds living on land and in water. Today we have seen this, okay? Now, can you please take out your CW copy? Yes, I know you all are ready. Write down date and CW. Write down the date and CW. At the top, write birds. Then the way I have written, write it down. Birds on land. Let's see. Manna, eagle, owl, peacock, pigeon. Right? Next is what? Hen, cock, crow. So these are the names, and sparrow. On land we see these birds. In water, what's there? Swan, stork, pelican, duck. Right? We can see these birds where? In water. Clear, UKG students? So birds that cannot fly, we will do in the next class. Okay? Complete page 55. Now let's see this. Some birds can't fly, they walk and run. Okay? Next, feathers protect their body. Next, some ducks sleep with one eye open. And you know, birds are an amazing species that comes in endless colors, size and types. So today till this much. Meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye.